Alright guys, so I want to go over how we do test corrections. So hopefully you're in the test correction folder here. And I just copied this folder into other courses, so it might not be physical science. So hopefully you clicked on this link to watch the video. And then your next object should be to click on the test correction sheet. So when I click on it, it should open me up to this screen. Click on it again. It'll ask me to make a copy of the document. I'm going to make a copy. Okay. Now, when I look at what it's asking me to do here, first part is one, fill out your name, hour, and the unit, unit 10 for us if this is physical science, whatever unit we're in. Share this document with me. There's my email. And then fill it out like we'd normally. Put the number. You could copy and paste the question in there, the incorrect answer, and justification. So maybe it's a math problem, put in the math. Or maybe it's a non-math problem. What was your mistake? Just like we did before. And remember, answers like I forgot, I didn't know, etc., etc. They don't work. Okay, and then you're done, and then that's it. Okay, so, but the tricky part is when I go to when I go into it. So Wednesday was our test. You're gonna have to click on that and then go into it and review your answers. If I do it right now, it's going to say that I can't do it. But I need to review my answers to see what I got wrong and then fill it out. Okay, so that's really the only thing you have to do today. Let me know if you have questions. Okay, love you, bye.